Good morning guys. You're watching FTM News and here is a major update on a pivotal legal battle involving tech giant Google.
First, Microsoft announces an $80 billion investment in AI-enabled data centers for fiscal 2025, aiming to boost AI innovation and infrastructure globally. Second, CES 2025 kicks off in Las Vegas, showcasing cutting-edge innovations from Samsung, Nvidia, LG, and more, with breakthroughs in AI, smart home tech, and immersive displays taking center stage. Third, China's DeepSeek V3 AI model rivals OpenAI, showcasing advanced natural language and multimodal capabilities. This breakthrough signals growing competition in global AI race. Fourth, a Cyberpeace report reveals a 55% rise in ransomware attacks across India, targeting critical sectors like healthcare and finance. Experts urge stronger cybersecurity measures to combat the growing threat. Fifth, Samsung is reportedly developing advanced camera tech to challenge Sony's dominance in power iPhone cameras. The move highlights Samsung's push to lead in smartphone imaging innovation. Sixth, Google CEO Sundar Pichai showcased his passion for cricket by donning a festive sweater adorned with cricket bats, balls, and Christmas trees during the company's 2024 Ugly Sweater contest. This gesture highlighted his enduring love for the sport. 7th, Chinese brand Urban Revival is emerging as a major competitor to Zara and H&M. Known for affordable, trendy fashion, it's gaining a global traction and reshaping the fast fashion market. 8. India faces a 55% surge in ransomware attacks, according to a Cyberpeace report, highlighting growing cybersecurity threats and the urgent need for stronger defenses. 9. The Quadrantal Meteor Shower, the first of 2025, peaks this weekend. Best viewed in the Northern Hemisphere, it promises bright, fast meteors for stargazers to enjoy. 10. Apple's challenges in China intensify as foreign phone sales decline amid rising competition from local brands and shifting market dynamics. 11. A Utah lawsuit accuses TikTok of knowingly exploiting children through its live streams, claiming the platform promotes harmful content and violates child protection laws. 12. A US official announces plans for an $8 billion arms sale to Israel, strengthening defense ties between the two nations. 13. The US National Security Advisor will visit India to discuss Chinese stance with Washington and its allies, viewing India as a key counter to China's growing influence in Asia. 14. The Draft Data Protection and Privacy (DPDP) rules are tightening regulations on how data is handled, aiming for stronger user privacy and stricter accountability for companies. 15. China's Navy, the world's largest, faces key weakness including lack of combat experience, technological setbacks, and problematic exports, undermining its quest for global maritime dominance despite rapid expansion. 16. Ashok Kumar Singh emphasized that technological innovations are key to boosting productivity, highlighting their vital role in driving economic growth and efficiency in various sectors. 17. Google Willow chip can perform a computation in under 5 minutes that would take one of the world's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years. 18. Several VPN apps, including Cloudflare, removed from app stores through Indian government order. 19. AT&T and Verizon hit by cyber attack confirmed their network and now clear. 20. Hackers have hijacked a wide range of companies' Chrome extensions.